Hey folks, Thursday morning, 2 days out from the weekend. Got a nice little holiday in store for us. We're almost there. Official kickoff of summer with Memorial Day. Hope everybody's got plans to get out, enjoy the weather, get some rest and relaxation in. These markets haven't done much relaxing this week. Up another 4% since Monday, across the board. You look back to that March 23rd low we hit, we're now 32% higher from that low in 40 trading days. A 32% move in 40 trading days. Massive move. In the overnight session, not much to write home about. A little bit of weakness coming off the strength yesterday. We're down about 0.5% right now in the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Dow. Look at some of the other markets, currencies. Seeing a little bit of strength in the dollar, as you would expect with a little weakness in the market. However, that euro continues to move higher, relatively flat at the moment, but again, it's creeping up right at that 1.10 level. And you look at oil, another 2% move up in the overnight session, so we're north of $34 a barrel in WTI, continuing to see strong moves in oil. Do have a big number today. We've got that initial jobless claims number out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So, it's sad to say that we've been a little bit desensitized from the 4, 5, 6 million jobs lost in the previous weeks. I think they're expecting 2.5 million this week, which is still just an absolutely horrible number. Put it all together, that's north of 36 million jobs lost since the pandemic started. So for those of you folks in the Nadex contract, that contract will settle today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So be on the lookout for that. Hope everybody has a great day. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.